Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off automatic iOS updates on your iPhone. So to turn them off, you just need to open Settings, and after Settings, you go and click on General. In general, you will find the second option called Software Update. You just need to click on it. And after clicking on it, you just need to enter to the first option, Automatic Updates. And you will turn the first, second, and third options off like this, and like this. And now your iPhone will never make automatic iOS updates. So just a little reminder or a small reminder, even if you turn off this option, automatic updates, I advise you to check always the software update from iPhone. Maybe once in 2 or 3 months they post an update, because there is sometimes some really important security updates and new features that are added by Apple to their like iOS system. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.